In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Artlist.io password. If you've forgotten your password or just want to regain access to your account quickly and securely, follow along and I'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, with helpful context so nothing feels confusing. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Artlist.io. Type the address carefully to make sure you're on the official site, and look for the secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're in the right place. Once the home page loads, click Sign In. You'll usually find this option at the top right of the page. This takes you to the login screen where you'd normally enter your credentials. On the Sign In page, click Forgot Password. This is the dedicated option for recovering access when you don't remember your current password. It will open a simple form to help you reset it safely. Now enter your email. Use the exact email address you used when creating your Artlist account. Take a moment to double-check for typos, extra spaces, or the wrong domain, as even a small mistake can prevent the reset email from arriving. If you have multiple email addresses, try the one you most commonly use for subscriptions and online services. Next, click Reset Password. After you click, wait for the confirmation message on the page that indicates an email has been sent. Avoid clicking repeatedly. Just give it a few moments to process. Finally, follow the email instructions. Open your inbox and look for a message from Artlist. If you don't see it right away, wait a minute or two and check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you find the message, open it and click the secure reset link provided. These links sometimes expire for security reasons, so it's best to use it as soon as you receive it. The link will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong and unique that you haven't used elsewhere, and make sure it meets any on-screen requirements. After you submit your new password, you should be all set to access your account again. To recap, go to Artlist.io, click Sign In, select Forgot Password, enter your email, click Reset Password, and then complete the process using the instructions sent to your inbox. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your account quickly and securely.